In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your own MCP in Cursor. First of all, you can start with any empty folder or not necessarily a file, but just open File, Preferences, Cursor Settings. Here, under Tools and Integrations, we're going to see MCP Tools category, where you can click on Add Custom MCP. This one is going to open your MCP JSON folder, and all you have to do is to paste the configuration you've got from GitHub README of our project or any other. What you have to keep in mind is these MCP servers opened, the structures, and this is a JSON, you have to have parentheses and commas, and the structure as in levels, each MCP defined with its own brackets. After you did this, you just need to close the file you're saving. And we'll see here all the MCPs we defined previously. What you get here up is the error that you have too many tools, basically. It would get confused and do not know where to use it. So you can leave open only the MCPs you are going to use. And they are basically loaded. What you can do to access them is literally open and discuss in chat, asking to use tools that is defined here. But for that, we'll discuss in another video. For now, we enabled the MCPs inside your Cursor IDE.